In this lecture snippet, we're going to take a look at installing the guest editions from Virtualbox into the Ubuntu 10.04 operating system. To begin with, once your operating system is up and running, we're going to take a look at clicking the Devices option from the Virtualbox, and we're going to select Install Guest Editions. Now, just a quick reminder, if you currently have a CD mounted under the operating system, you're going to want to choose the CD DVD devices option here and choose unmount to basically eject the CD that this operating system thinks it has in the CD drive, because the guest editions are going to use our actual CD drive to install these. So I'm going to go ahead and choose install guest editions, and nothing seems to have happened on my operating system. So what I'm going to do is actually go to places. And what you're going to do is you're going to see that the actual CD is right here, and it's called the VBox Editions, and this is the version of it. And so what this is doing is it's kind of passing through the virtual machine itself, through the CD drive to the actual Ubuntu operating system, the actual software to install on it, and using the CD drive to do this. So I'm going to go ahead and select these VBox Editions, and this is going to go ahead and mount it onto my desktop, and it's going to go ahead and give me the prompt here. Actually, it's going to give me the dialog box. Every once in a while it does give me the automatic prompt to actually go ahead and select. It's okay that it didn't, because I have the option right here for Open Auto Run Prompt. And this is kind of a newer feature in Ubuntu. It makes it really nice to be able to install the guest editions. In the past, you've had to open up a shell and type in the commands. This here makes it really nice. I'm going to go ahead and select Open Auto Run Prompt. And it's going to go ahead and tell me that you should never run software you don't trust. Well, I do trust this software, so I'll choose Run. It's going to also prompt me for the password, which is the password for the first account you created on this operating system. It's also the password to use for the root permissions on this operating system. So I'll type in my password that I have installed. Now, like I said, this is oftentimes the first account you create for this operating system. I'm going to go ahead and choose OK. And what it's going to do is it should open up a window, and there it is. And it's going to go through and run and install the actual guest editions for the operating system. Now, I am running a 32-bit operating system at the moment, so this is going to go ahead and choose the x86 one, which is right here, and it's actually going to run this as the root under the root permissions to install this operating system. So it's going to go through. It'll take a few minutes to actually install. Once it's done, it will tell me to hit return. I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until it's done. As you can see now, the guest editions have been installed. It does tell me here at the end, press return to close the window, and it's gone through and installed the guest editions without any problem. I'll go ahead and hit enter or return, and it's going to go ahead and close that box, and now the guest editions have been installed. And the reason why we install the guest editions, it does help the operating system run better under a virtual environment. So this is going to help us with our screen resolution, as well as the mouse and keyboard, as far as interacting with the actual host operating system. So this is the installation of the Virtualbox guest editions in Ubuntu 10.04.